How to create PayPal account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can create a PayPal account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to create a PayPal account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the PayPal application here. Then after you do that, it will ask you to log in or sign up, right? So since we're trying to create an account, we will just go to the sign up button instead. Then after we have done that, we just need to enter an email address that you would like to use for your PayPal account here. So once you basically enter your email address that you'd like to use, you can just tap the next option. Then it will ask you to basically create a password here as well. Once you go ahead and create a password and enter your mobile number, it will send a verification code to that mobile number. And once you verify the code that you receive on your SMS app, most likely what happens is that you will also have to go ahead and then create a password. And as you create your password, your PayPal account will get successfully created. This way you can create a PayPal account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.